Hey guys! Welcome to Couple. Please like and subscribe if you like the video. A little-noticed court case stemming from the apparent murder of a Columbia University professor 6 decades ago could keep special counsel Robert Mueller from publishing any information about the Trump campaign and Russia that he obtains through a Washington grand jury. The substance of the case is entirely unrelated to Mueller's investigation into whether any of President Donald Trump's associates aided Russia's efforts to intervene in the 2016 election. But if a Washington appeals court set to hear the murder-related case next month sides with the Justice Department and rules that judges don't have the freedom to release grand jury information that is usually kept secret, it could throw a monkey wrench into any plans Mueller has to issue a public report on his probe's findings, lawyers following the issue said. And it might even keep the special counsel from sending a report to Congress, shaking Democrats' hopes that such a document could provide the impetus for impeachment proceedings against the president. It is a sleeper case, Harvard law professor Alex Whiting said. If the D.C. Circuit were to accept the Department of Justice's arguments, that would have potentially enormous implications for the future of the information from the Mueller investigation. That could close out a path by which that information becomes public. The case at the appeals court was brought by attorney and author Stuart McKeever, who has spent decades investigating the disappearance of Jesus Galindez, a Columbia University professor and political activist who disappeared in New York City in 1956. His body was never found, but there are indications that he was kidnapped and flown to the Dominican Republic, where he may have been killed. The unsolved 62-year-old mystery, which also sweeps in the death of an American pilot and 2 trials in Washington of a man charged with being an unregistered Dominican Republic agent, is so colorful and convoluted that it inspired a 2003 film starring Harvey Keitel, The Galindez File. McKeever, 82, wants a judge to release secret testimony given to a D.C.-based grand jury that investigated Galindez's disappearance. But the Justice Department argues that judges don't have inherent authority to release such information unless it falls under exemptions approved by Congress, which don't apply in the Galindez case or in many others, including potentially Mueller's investigation. I've been on the journey almost 40 years to tell this story, McKeever said Sunday in a phone interview from his South Carolina home. The Justice Department does not want this case to break the dam,